Hello and welcome to TNR Sales in Sublet, Illinois, where we're looking at park models. Currently, we're going to look at a 2023 Fairmont Cavco one bedroom with no loft. Unit number 20109. I'm not really sure of its designation, but it's gray and it's got white trim. White lineals. It's all thermopane, vinyl windows. Take a quick look around here. It's a busy day, so I'm making my videos short and sweet. Gray with white trim and a shingled roof. 2023 model, triple axle. It's a Fairmont Cavco. I've been in a bunch of these today. They kind of all run together. Let's go have a look around inside, and then I'll take some pictures. Okay, so it's a 2023 Fairmont model 19002. And it's a 2-bedroom. That might make it more interesting. Oh yeah, check this out. So you got a nice master suite in the front, end tables, nightstands with USB charging ports, plenty of space for a large TV, nice view out your window if you got anything cool to look at. Lots of drawers, 20-gallon water heater, closet. Oh, one thing I love about Fairmont and Cavco, they have everything you need to know right here. Model number 19002, and it has all the serial numbers and model numbers for the appliances. There's your electric panel box. Everything clearly marked in there also. So here's probably the best part of this trailer. Besides, it's got a coffee table, sleeper sofa, plankwood linoleum, freestanding table. You can move wherever you want to, because that moves. It is not attached. And then the bunks with no limit. Pretty cool. I'd call them twin. Nice closet in here too. Got a nice closet with a couple drawers. There's no loft here, but hey, for whatever I said, $80,000, that's not a bad price for one of these. Got a heck of a nice stove. Look at that. 5-burner stove. Just need a griddle for the middle. And then your movable table has a bunch of cool stuff in there. Stainless fridge. Looking good. And a nice big bathroom. Tall. You've got a little linen closet in here. You've got storage under the sink. You have medicine cabinet. And like I said, you got just a little bit of storage for towels and washcloths. Look at the seating. It's got nice seats. I love the one-piece shower surround there. It's awful cool. The bedroom is definitely big enough. Well, pretty well concludes our tour. There's a lot of nice cabinets. On the one over the fridge, it'd be kind of, you have to have long arms to get to that one, but other than that, looks like they did a pretty good job with the cabinetry. LED lighting. So anyhow, this is our 2-bedroom Fairmont Cavco, and it's definitely the price leader from what I've seen of all the park models I've been filming recently. Swivel stools. What's it got? 4 stools. Yep. Plank flooring. There's your coat rack. The bedroom. Okay. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you leave me some nice comments or hit like and subscribe, I would highly appreciate it. So I'll move on to the next trailer. Have a great day.